What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Well, today I want to bring to you some candles that I purchased. And I went to Big Lots and I went to Target. And let me not forget this. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And if you love the content that I'm bringing to you, please hit the thumbs up button and the notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Well, let me tell you, first, I bought this candle, this one, Mandarin, Hibiscus, Lotus Blossom Coconut. This one smells really good. I got this one at Target, and I put it in my bathroom, and after you light it and let it set and the wax really get hot, then it begins to, you get that really nice fresh smell. So I really love this. Now, how much did I pay for this one? I believe it was $6. This candle was $6 at Target, and it smells great. And I bought this at Target. Boom. Now, let me tell you, this candle, you guys, of course, I've been burning it already, but it's coconut campfire. Let you see that? And I'm telling you, I can't stop smelling this candle right here. This candle smells good. And I don't need to burn no other candle when I'm burning this candle, because my house, I can light this candle and it'll smell up the whole house. And it's a great, this one is it smells amazing. So if you go to Target, see if you can find this candle and see if it's one that you like. And then I bought this one at Target as well. It's Ashwood and Palo Santo with notes of patchouli and oak wood. Well, when I was at Target, it smelled really, really good. It still smells good, but when I light it, I don't smell it. I don't know, maybe I need to put it in a smaller room or something, but I just don't smell it. I'm smelling it now, but it really doesn't bring out a real, I can't smell it. I'm like, is it my nose? Or is it just the type of candle? So it's by Ashwood and Palo Santo, but it's okay. I'll put it in my bathroom downstairs. I have 3 bathrooms, so I'll put these kind of candles in the bathroom, and it'll probably smell in a small area. Oops, sorry about that. And then I went to Big Lots and I bought this candle. It's a holiday candle. I was looking for a holiday candle, and this one smelled, I like light scents. This is a Christmas cashmere candle. I paid $6 at Big Lots, and it really smells good. I haven't burned this one yet, but I am going to burn it. I think I'll put this one down in my hallway and entryway so that when people walk in during the holidays, when they walk in, they're gonna smell this candle. It's gonna smell amazing. And then I went to Big Lots. I bought me some of these straws, the stainless steel straws with the brush. And I want to say this was $7. And I need these straws because I've been making smoothies. I signed up with Noom, and Noom is teaching me nutrition and how to choose, the right foods. Because during the pandemic, I don't know what happened, but I gained so much weight, and this weight must come off. It's got to come off. And so I signed up with Noom, and they're really they teach you how to pick the right foods, have the right choices. You can eat anything you want, but make the right nutritional choices. And they have me counting my calories by logging my food, drinking plenty of water, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my smoothie. So check me out. Right. What's up? Okay, everybody. Now I am in the kitchen. I already have my ginger and my cucumbers already chopped up, okay? So I'm gonna throw these in here. The pineapples and the cucumbers is what really, I'm just putting a handful of these in here, just a little bit more. They say this is very good for, you know, helping you lose weight in your stomach area, belly fat. So I've been doing it, and so far so good. It works. And I did not know that they had coconut water with pineapple. Get out of here. Because I don't like coconut water by itself. But with this, I couldn't taste anything. And it helps with my everything. So I need to go get some more. All right. Coconut water, ginger, and coconut water, ginger, and cucumber. All right. So I'm gonna put my top on the blender. So I blended my drink, and here's my cup. I'm already ready for the holidays, and it's not even here yet. All right, I'm gonna take my straw. I already washed it. Yes, this is good. I can taste the ginger. I put just a little bit more ginger in here. And the reason why I put a little bit more ginger is because I really want this, I want this to work. Man, it's, when I say I gotta get this weight off me, I mean, the weight must come off. Well, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, a little bit of me. And at home, I'm about to take my shower and get myself ready for bed so that I can go to work in the morning. So you have an amazing day. God bless.